Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a color image to black and white in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then go to the file menu. Now I'm firstly open a picture. Then file menu, go to the and click place, and this is my image folder, and I'm select a folder, select a image, select a image and click open. Now drag and paste the image, then click here and firstly select the image, then go to the window and click properties. Now firstly open the properties menu, then select the image, and you can see here are firstly double click the image and click the optical and click normal, then click luminously, then click here and again click here, and you can see here are fill color. Now click the fill and click the paper. Now our picture is white and black. Then increase the picture size. You can see here are this picture color black and white. Now you can see convert a color image to black and white in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.